These viral-level useful gadgets are here to make life smoother that too for only around $50. You can buy every single one of them from the links in the description. Digital wall mount clock. Elevate your room's aesthetic with the digital wall mount clock, a sleek timepiece that combines functionality with modern design. Its large LED display ensures you can easily read the time from any corner of the room. Beyond just telling time, it features temperature and humidity readings, keeping you informed about your environment. The adjustable brightness settings allow for comfortable viewing day or night, and the built-in alarm function ensures you stay punctual. Its minimalist design seamlessly blends with various interior styles, adding a touch of sophistication. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel. Say goodbye to dust and crumbs in hard-to-reach places with the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel. This innovative cleaning solution molds to fit into tight spaces, making it ideal for cleaning car vents, keyboards, and other nooks. Its sticky texture picks up dirt and debris without leaving any residue behind. Reusable and easy to store, it remains effective over multiple uses when kept in a cool place. The gel's vibrant color adds a fun twist to your cleaning routine, and its compact packaging makes it easy to carry. It's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their gadgets and spaces spotless. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Start your mornings with a delightful twist using the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. This compact appliance heats up quickly, allowing you to make single-serving waffles in minutes. Its non-stick surface ensures easy release and cleanup, making breakfast prep hassle-free. Beyond waffles, it's versatile enough to cook hash browns, paninis, and even biscuit pizzas. The lightweight design and vibrant color options add a pop of fun to any kitchen. At an affordable price point, it's a great gift for food enthusiasts of all ages. Electric Lighter Arc. Upgrade your lighting game with the Electric Lighter Arc. Utilizing plasma arc technology, it produces a windproof and splash-proof flame, making it ideal for outdoor use. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use, and the USB charging capability ensures convenience. Its sleek design and safety features, like the automatic shutoff, provide peace of mind during use. Perfect for lighting candles, grills, or campfires, it's a versatile tool for various occasions. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your vehicle spotless with the THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner, a compact yet powerful cleaning tool. Designed specifically for automotive use, it plugs into your car's 12V outlet. The included attachments, like the flathead and brush nozzle, allow for versatile cleaning in tight spaces. A transparent trash container lets you see when it's time to empty. And the HEPA filter ensures efficient dust trapping. Lightweight and easy to store, it fits conveniently in your trunk or glove compartment. Philips Norelco OneBlade. Achieve the perfect shave with the Philips Norelco OneBlade, a revolutionary grooming tool designed for versatility. Its unique technology allows for any length of hair with precision. The dual-sided blade ensures comfortable and efficient grooming, reducing the risk of nicks and cuts. Water-resistant and easy to clean, it's suitable for both wet and dry use. The rechargeable battery offers extended use, making it ideal for travel. 3-in-1 charging station. Declutter your charging area with the 3-in-1 charging station, a sleek solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, it streamlines your tech setup. The foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Magnetic alignment keeps your devices securely in place. For tech enthusiasts looking to simplify their charging routine, this station is a must-have. Blink Mini 2. Enhance your home security with the Blink Mini 2, a compact yet powerful smart camera. It offers HD video quality with night vision. The built-in motion detection alerts you to any activity, and the two-way audio allows for real-time communication. The plug-in design ensures continuous power. Its discreet size makes it easy to place anywhere in your home. Tile by Life 360. Never lose your keys, wallet, or even your sanity again with Tile by Life 360. This tiny Bluetooth tracker packs a serious punch when it comes to finding your stuff. Attach it to anything important and track it via your phone in real time using the Tile app. The range is impressive, and if your item is out of Bluetooth reach, the global Tile network can help locate it. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free locating. The sleek design means it won't bulk up your keychain or bag. It's water-resistant, durable, and has a replaceable battery. For anyone who's constantly asking, where did I put that? This one's a game changer. MUSICOZY sleep headphones. Say goodbye to uncomfortable earbuds and hello to sleep-friendly sound with MUSICOZY sleep headphones. This all-in-one eye mask and Bluetooth headset lets you fall asleep to music, podcasts, or white noise in total comfort. Made with super soft memory foam and breathable fabric, it's perfect for side sleepers too. The sound quality is surprisingly rich for something so compact and cozy. With 10+ hours of playtime, it'll last through your entire sleep cycle. And yes, it's washable. Just remove the Bluetooth module and toss it in the laundry. Whether you're traveling so relaxing or blocking out snoring roommates, this is the ultimate sleep upgrade. Seriously, once you try it, you'll never go back. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Meal prep just got a glow up with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. This gadget turns slicing, dicing, and chopping into a satisfying one-push process. It comes with multiple blade attachments. The catch tray underneath means less mess, and it's all dishwasher safe. Hello, easy cleanup. The blades are razor sharp, made of stainless steel, and perfect for everything from onions to zucchini. Plus, there's a safety guard for your fingers, so no stress when you're in a rush. If you want to eat healthier without hating the prep, this thing is your new best friend. TikTok level satisfying with real-world usefulness. HyperChiller. Instantly chill your coffee or any drink in under 60 seconds. No more watering down your iced coffee or waiting forever for hot drinks to cool. Just pop the HyperChiller in the freezer, pour your drink into it, swirl for a bit, and boom, chilled perfection. It uses a triple-layer design that rapidly absorbs heat without diluting your drink. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and works with everything from cocktails to soda. Ideal for students, remote workers, or anyone constantly reaching for cold caffeine. The minimalist design also fits neatly in your fridge door. Honestly, it's the hack you didn't know you needed. The 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station is your new secret weapon for mastering mornings. It's got 2 upper griddle compartments that let you cook eggs, bacon, pancakes, or whatever combo your cravings demand all at once. Plus, there's a built-in toast drawer underneath so you can make 2 slices of toast while your breakfast sizzles up top. The ceramic nonstick surface is not only super easy to clean, but also free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so your meals stay healthy and hassle-free. A built-in timer takes the guesswork out of cooking, while the glass lid with a steam vent lets you keep an eye on your masterpiece without letting heat escape. Cool touch handles make it safe to move around. This gadget doesn't just cook, it brightens up your whole kitchen. Automotive Escape Tool. The Automotive Escape Tool is a lifesaver for car emergencies. It features a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker, ensuring you can quickly escape in case of an accident. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store in your glove compartment or attach to your keys for quick access. The automatic stirring coffee mug is perfect for those who love a hassle-free cup of coffee. This self-stirring mug mixes your drink with the press of a button-nose spoon. Required, whether it's coffee, hot chocolate, or protein shakes, this gadget blends everything smoothly without lumps. The BEBIRD R1 Wax Removal tool for ear is a high-tech way to keep your ears clean and healthy. This isn't your regular cotton swab. It's a smart ear cleaner with a built-in 1080p HD camera that connects to your phone in real time. With 6 LED lights, you get a crystal clear view of your ear canal to safely and effectively remove wax. The soft silicone tip ensures a gentle cleaning experience, so you don't have to worry about irritation. It's rechargeable and comes with multiple replacement tips, making it hygienic for repeated use. The best part? You can even use it to check small areas like your nose or even your pet's ears. If you love smart gadgets, this one is oddly satisfying to use. Rotary cheese grater makes grating cheese, vegetables, and nuts effortless. Unlike traditional graters that require tons of effort, this gadget features a rotating drum blade that lets you grate with minimal pressure. Just place your ingredient in the chamber, turn the handle, and watch it work like magic. The sharp stainless steel blades provide fast and even grating. Cleaning is easy, too. Just rinse it under running water or throw it in the dishwasher. This grater will save you time and effort. The BEAUTURAL fabric shaver is the ultimate tool to refresh your clothes and furniture in seconds. This powerful gadget removes lint, fuzz, and pilling from fabrics, making your sweaters, sofas, and blankets look brand new. It features adjustable shaving heights, a safety lock, and a large shaving surface for fast and efficient use. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and it even comes with a replaceable stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance. Whether it's for home or travel, this gadget is a game changer for keeping fabrics fresh. It's USB rechargeable, so no need to keep buying batteries. Just glide it over your clothes and boom! If you want your outfits to stay crisp and clean, this is a must-have. Hidden camera detectors. Hidden camera detectors are essential for maintaining your privacy in today's tech-driven world. Compact and easy to use, this gadget uses infrared light to detect hidden cameras in hotel rooms, Airbnbs, or offices. With its portable design, you can carry it discreetly in your pocket or bag. The Detector ensures peace of mind, allowing you to quickly scan for cameras and protect your personal space. ProtoArc wireless mouse source. A good mouse can make all the difference in your workflow, and this one is designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. It features an ergonomic design that reduces wrist strain, making it perfect for long work hours. With multiple connectivity options, you can seamlessly switch between devices without any hassle. The precision tracking ensures smooth navigation. Plus, the silent clicks mean you won't disturb anyone around you, making it ideal for shared workspaces. The rechargeable battery lasts for weeks. If you want a mouse that enhances speed and comfort, this is the one to get. The Anker laptop docking station. If you're juggling multiple devices, this docking station is a game changer for streamlining your workspace. It offers multiple USB ports, HDMI, and even an Ethernet connection, allowing you to turn your laptop into a full workstation. Whether you need to connect external monitors, charge devices, or transfer files quickly, this hub has you covered. The sleek, compact design makes it easy to carry, making it perfect for remote workers and digital nomads. It supports high-speed data transfer, so you won't be stuck waiting for files to move. Plus, it's universally compatible with most laptops. If you want to boost your desk setup's efficiency, this is a must-have gadget. Your desk lamp with clamp. Good lighting is essential for productivity, and this clamp-on desk lamp ensures your workspace is well lit without taking up extra space. It features adjustable brightness and color temperatures, so you can customize it to reduce eye strain. The flexible arm allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, whether you're reading, writing, or working on a computer. It clips easily to the edge of your desk, keeping your workspace clutter-free. The LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you need a lighting upgrade for your desk, this is the perfect solution. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.